Can you expile or design a web page from just one frame in Figma and do it without a design system? Yes, it actually can. Today I will show how to use UX Pilot plugin to create new screens using just one visual as a starting point. No design system needed. You will see how to write clear prompts, test idea faster, and speed up your whole workflow while keeping your style consistent. Let's jump in and see how UX Pilot does the work while you take control of the quality. Okay, so today I want to show you how to work with UX Pilot with one feature. It is called Figma Design, as you can see here. That basically what it does, you give it a frame as a design reference and it design based on this visual reference. So you can create many screens based on one visual design, and that's without have a design system. So before you know exactly what you want to do, you will be able to create many pages and maintain the same style very easily. So let's see how to do it. First of all, let's close one moment here the plugin and I go to this page. I downloaded this page, this landing page for Figma community. You can see it here. The designer called Olga. See, this is her page. And I duplicated her file and start to work with it because I like the design and I think that we can do great things with this. I go back to Figma and let's see how to do it. So I make zoom out, go here, and here I have the page and here I have my prompt. Two things that are important. When you write the prompt, you need to explain what you want to do. For example, I want to create the services page. So I explain what needs to be inside, like the company make SEO, the company makes social content. Okay, so this is one thing that I want to add. I can be more precise and add more information, more detailed. But because I'm exploring what to do, I want to see what the AI will give me. And I don't want to close the design before I know exactly what I want to do. Because at the end, it's a process of iteration. I don't want to give the plugin all the information and get the final result. I want to iterate with the plugin. I write here more or less what I want for the Our Services page. And important thing, here on the prompt, you should add a little bit information about the visual design. Basically, the plugin will take all the visual design assets from the reference from here. But after iterate a lot with the plugin, I understood that if you add this information to the prompt, you will get better result. Just add here the colors you will use, the typography, and the style. And that's okay. You don't need more than that. And you can use it for every prompt, for every page you will do. So I copy here the prompt. Let's go do zoom out. I open out the plugin. We have it here. Let's select one screen because as I said, don't spend a lot of credits. Work one by one because the AI can generate for you 10 screens at a time, but don't use it to find a result. Use it for discovery and do it one by one. It's better because if you will generate a lot of screens, it will be difficult for you to understand all the information it generates. So but one by one, for me, it's the best. I suggested you to do it also. Here I add the prompt and the most important, I select the reference here, the page, click on Figma Design, and now I'm ready to generate the new page. One thing before we start, just render design in the center of the page because it will add all the information here in the center and not in any place on the canvas. Move here, click on Generate Design, and you can see here the screen. Let's add it here. So now we need to wait to see the final result. In the meantime, I want to show you another test that I did, so we're able to see what I get after do the same process. You can see here, for example, this is the reference, and here I ask it to create a pricing page. You can see it here. Okay, so it's create the pricing page based on the design that we have here. So I explain here what I want with all the styles, and it's create this page. As you can see here, I will not say that it's 100% take all the visual assets. It can happen, so you need to tweak a little bit, but let's focus one moment on the pricing. You can see here, it gives us title, subtitle. Here, for example, we need to center it, but okay, one click, it's very easy to do. But the most important is the pricing. It's created this section from this design, okay, without any other prompt. So let's go here one moment. You can see it's take the typography, the colors. The only thing that it didn't take, it's this stroke, as you can see here. But this I can add it manually, no problem. But as you can see, instead of creating these boxes manually, you have it here. It's created also some testimonials and FAQ questions, so I can use it also. To make it 100%, I need to tweak a little bit, but as a starting point, great result. Let's back one moment to see the generation it's created for us. So here you can see the page is created for us, and basically I like very much the result because you can see here our services. Here there is these boxes that explain what they does, and you can see they take the exact visual design from here. Okay, you can see it's very close, and also it's add here some another box that ready to grow your business, and some information, and also the footer. Although we have the footer, but it's created also. Now, one thing that I didn't say before, that this is important. When you work with this technique, you must craft the first page well. I mean, if the first page not crafted well, you will not get good result. So the first thing that you need to do to create the first page, all the text with all the visual assets, and then iterate above it. If you download, for example, from the community a page and ask it to convert, for example, this agency page, this one, to another type of design like coffee shop, it will not work well because you need to focus the AI model. So first of all, create the first page or part of the first page well, and then add the new screen based on it. So for example, you can create this page that we have for the marketing agency. And as you can see here on the top, we have about us, services, use cases, pricing, and blog. And then you ask the AI to create based on this design, these different pages. That's the best way it's work. And I said it after make many tests. You can see it here. I did many tests with many different types of design to understand how work well. But at the end, I found that these techniques work the best. Craft the first page well with all the visual assets, with all the message you want, and then ask the AI to generate new pages. So before we finish, let's do one thing more. Let's make the blog page. I copy here blog. Let's copy all this part and eliminate this one. And here I will write something very simple. I eliminate all this part and write that I wanted to recreate the blog page. So I write here, please create the blog page, copy the prompt, open the plugin. Let's open the plugin now. Let's select one screen, paste the prompt here, and then select this reference, Figma Design. Again, render in the center of the page, click on generate, and let's see the result in one moment. Okay, it's finished. You can see here the result for the blog page. We have here some first part of the last insight, feature post, and you can see here the last text post. As you can see, the only things that I wanted to take is the exact visual design of these boxes, but this part I can add manually, no problem, but I don't need to create everything from scratch, okay? You can see here, I have something solid I can work with, but you can see here it's added this type of label that it's exactly as we have here. So in general, let's say that it's make 80% of the work, 75% of the work, but it's a huge advantage for people that work and need to design websites or applications because you can iterate much more faster. Again, the AI will not give you 100% after one click, and that's normal because we cannot do anything with one prompt. Maybe in the future, try to design with this technique. I'm sure that it will work much more faster and give to your clients or your company much better result in a very effective way and faster. So this is all for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you need a product designer to design your application or website, my information in the description. Feel free to say hello anytime. See you in the next video. Take care.